Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 5th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar or the DXY, same difference. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked out here in the code at the end of the video. And make sure to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So on the US dollar index, I got to zoom down a little bit on the 1 hour time frame to show that this is definitely a five-wave downtrend. More than likely, the minimum we're going to do on the move sideways that started right here is make a correction to those five waves. So we need to put our Fibonacci retracement on the whole move down. The minimum I would expect this to go is to 38%, and we definitely haven't hit that area yet. It could possibly go all the way up to the 78%. So since we don't have that nice Fibonacci bounce, nice breaker structure at a Fibonacci level yet, more than likely we are going to hit that Fibonacci level, which means price probably will end up continuing up. If we zoom back in a little bit, we can see that there definitely is five waves down right here. So if I had to guess exactly how this was going to play out, I'd probably say something like this for wave A, probably something like that for wave B, maybe back down again for wave C, and then I think we need to push back up towards the 38% and maybe even higher. Like I said, I really do not think that this correction is over. That I just showed you to the last five waves down, either on the 4 hour time frame or zoomed out on the 1 hour time frame. So my bias would definitely have to be up dollar right now. Now we do have U.S. interest rate coming out on Wednesday, and that is a really good time for the dollar to make a very significant turn. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.